Hi, guys, welcome to Business Snap YouTube channel. Here I can provide you finance, investing and business updates. Before I start, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Why you should invest on YouTube instead of cryptocurrency. A cryptocurrency is a form of digital payment that does not rely on banks to verify transactions. It's a peer-to-peer mechanism that lets you send and receive money from all over the world, rather than physical money that is carried about and exchanged in the modern world. Cryptocurrency transfers are anonymous entrants to an online ledger that reflects specific transactions. All transactions involving cryptocurrency funds are recorded in a public ledger. But on other side, YouTube is a video sharing search engine platform, where people can post and distribute their videos. Millions of people have built accounts on the web, allowing them to upload videos that everyone can watch. YouTube makes it easy for people to upload and post videos on the internet. And you can make money by making content that is oriented toward teaching, entertaining, reviewing, or just being influencers on the internet. Do you know how secure is cryptocurrency? Let's talk about electronic threats. Blockchain technology is commonly used to create cryptocurrencies. The internet now controls the majority of our lives. We entrust the internet with a lot of stuff, from baking recipes to our addresses and shopping habits. Hackers can gain access to a digital wallet containing an investor's Bitcoin and pass it to themselves in a matter of seconds, robbing the victim of thousands of dollars. They may also use the details used to purchase the Bitcoin to purchase more Bitcoin fraudulently. Digital keys, for example, can be used to secure these digital wallets. Users, on the other hand, often use basic passwords that hackers can easily guess. Putting your cryptocurrency in cold storage is a much safer choice. This ensures that your money is kept in a safe location. Can be regulation and fraud. Since cryptocurrencies are becoming more common and valuable, more than just hackers are putting their money into them. And as the economy expands, things can only get worse. The lack of legislation surrounding cryptocurrency is a concern that you should feel comfortable discussing. Fraudulent sellers take advantage of the lack of real regulation that keeps the cryptocurrency market in check. High risk because of price fluctuations. It could remain a gamble for the time being due to the high risk and lack of control. Price fluctuations can be both dramatic and rapid as a result of unexpected changes in consumer sentiment. It is not unusual for the value of cryptocurrencies to drop by hundreds, if not thousands, of dollars in a matter of seconds. There is no foolproof method for avoiding technological failures, human error, or hacking. Do you know how beneficial is YouTube? Since it is less risky, YouTube is preferable to cryptocurrency. There is no need for hacking or deception. It used to be that making money on YouTube was as easy as uploading great videos, getting millions of views, and sharing ad revenue. Content creators now have a variety of options for monetizing their work. This may include corporate sponsorships from a big company, fan funding, or merchandise sales, in addition to advertisements. It is less risky because creating content there requires little investment in equipment that aids in the production of videos. You can make money on YouTube. Just connect to Google AdSense. After completing YouTube requirements, your channel approved as a partner program. You must link your channel to Google AdSense, the company's advertisement framework. Check out YouTube Premium. You can also add videos to YouTube Premium, which is a web-based ad-free streaming service. You'll get a cut of the revenue generated by membership fees. Use product placement and video sponsorship, also a great opportunity. Companies interested in your audience can fund your videos, or deliver product placement opportunities in return for a shout-out. You can also sell products or services to viewers. If you have merchandise or a program that your viewers would be involved in, include it in your videos and provide ties. The best part is you can meet up with fans in the real world. At meetups and related activities, YouTubers can engage with their fans and sell merchandise. They're typically better for those who have a large number of involved and committed subscribers. But wait. Aren't you going to compete with thousands of professional musicians, filmmakers, media houses, and small businesses? Yes, you are. Every video creator wants a slice of the attention of the 2 billion logged-in monthly users on YouTube. But you only need to find your tribe of true fans who will love the videos you create. And that's a wrap. You now have all the information you need about how to make money on YouTube. I'm convinced that ideas are perfect for anyone interested. But especially good for college students looking for an online job of some sort. All you need to do now is to take action on everything you've learned. So you can start building and growing your audience on this lucrative platform. Are there any other making money for long-term strategies that you know of? Let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to get a notification. Business Snap. Finance and investing updates.